Alright guys, I did a little mod to my headlight on my CT70. I'm going to show you, it's pretty cool. And the battery. I just wanted to see if this would work. And it does. So right there is a cell phone portable battery charger. And these CT70s, they run off a 6-volt battery. And that USB charger puts out about 5.5 volts. I got it ran through to convert it so the engine charges the battery power when it starts up, and then it works just like a normal 6-volt battery would. I had 12-volt batteries, but they wouldn't fit down under the seat, so I figured that would work. And they had a light in it, but the light was really dim. There's a ground wire that I had to make. I'm gonna take that off and run one on the inside. But this is all just rigged up so I can show you all how it works. But it had a really dim old 6-volt light, and I took this flashlight. I took this flashlight apart, just an old flashlight I had, and I took the light, the LED light out of it, and put it inside my headlight. That way I would have, this switch is a little wonky, it's got a bad connection, but I can get the light to turn on for you so you all can see it. But check that out.
No! Harry, no! Don't look at the light! I can't help it. It's so beautiful.
The LED light for my CT70 now.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
It runs off a portable battery charger, so it's pretty cool. It does have a light where you can see that it's charging, but where I got it taped, you can't really see it. Actually, I think it's still lit right now. Yeah. See it? When I turn the light on, it comes on. Watch. You see how it's dark right there? There it goes. Wait. And I'll show you that it's charging. Wait till it goes off and I'll kick the bike over. I don't really want to start it up because the door's shut. But if it starts, it starts. Alright, I'm going to kick the bike over. You see the battery light come on? Watch it go off here. Boom. I thought that was a pretty cool little idea I had. I can't believe it actually worked. See that? Got a package from China. Been on its way for about maybe a month, 3 weeks, something like that. So it's been a while. We're gonna take a look and see what we got. I know what it is, but I ain't telling you. So let's take a look. So, there we go. New carburetor. We're going to put it on my CT70 because the one I had on it didn't have a choke, and then I put another one on it and it runs like poop, so I figured carburetors are super cheap. I got all this for $18, and I needed an intake for my original CT70 motor over there. Still don't know what I'm gonna put it on, but I'm gonna have an intake for it, and I can put either the carburetor that's on the custom KX or the one I'm taking off the CT70. I can put that one on there, one or the other. But I'm gonna open all this up, and then we'll drag the CT70 over here and we'll throw it together.
What kind of place is this?
We're gonna have to cut this little lip off here. So when the camera just stopped, hopefully just stopped. I don't know if this air filter is going to work. No, it's not. The air filter on that little green foiler like blew completely out or something.
It tickles my nose. Not for long.
Wah, wah, wah. Will you cut that out?
What's up? Hold on the throttle cable when you got stuck. Threw the plug boot off and everything. So, took it out for a rip. I don't think it's getting full throttle. Got a lot of pep to it, but just how the throttle is engaging, like nothing. And then like the last quarter of the throttle, there's a little bit of movement. So I really don't think it's getting full throttle. Yeah, 30.
Like, comment, share. Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe?
Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe?
Like, comment, share.
Like and subscribe.
Like, comment, share.
Please retweet.